Okay, Isaac, what are we doing today?
Experiment.
An experiment. What experiment is that? What is that?
I don't know.
You don't know? It says Fizzy dig Mars. So it looks like we're going to excavate something from Mars. Does that sound right?
But where's my mom?
Your Mars? I'll show you. There's your Mars. All right, leave it there. All right, here are your excavating tools. And here is some warm water. Wait. So the instructions are you pour some warm water over the Mars and watch what happens. Pour it slowly and be careful. Whoa! Wow. Now you can take your tools and try to excavate the Mars and see if you can find something in there. Whoop! Gotta be careful. Do you think we need more water? Oh, looks like you're getting in there a little bit. Let me get some more water, maybe. Here's some more water. Maybe try to pour it slowly so it melts it a little bit better. Pour slowly over the top. There you go. Oh, good. Oh, it's still fizzy.
Remember, maybe let's move on to my tools.
Okay, use that a little bit. Oh, maybe. Look. Bless you. You're supposed to cover your nose. Look, maybe this one has like a poker. Can you like get in there a little more with that one? Oh, that looked good. Looked like you were getting somewhere with that.
About more water can do it.
You think more water?
Yeah.
Okay, let's get some more water.
So I can make it bigger and bigger and bigger and bigger.
Bigger and bigger and bigger and bigger?
Yeah.
Okay. Here's more water. You can try to pour it on the Mars ball. Ooh, that's good. Oh, it's super fizzy now.
Now let's do some more water.
Some more water? Are you letting the water do all the work instead of excavating?
Yes.
Why don't you try to excavate some more now that you've got some bubbles? There you go. Interesting. Berlioz looks very enthused by all of this. Let's see. Maybe if we flip it. I see something. I see something. What is it? Try to excavate around it, remember? You can use two hands, it's okay. There you go. What? Whoa. Oh, we got something. There you go. What? Maybe swish it back around in the water again. Yeah, use two tools. Do you need a towel?
Yeah.
Okay. Keep excavating. There you go. So it looks like this just kind of fizzes in the water, huh? Oh. What is that? What is it? What is that?
It's an alien.
An alien? That's the big takeaway? That's what that was?
Yeah.
Huh.
See, Mommy?
Oh, it's the same as like the little picture?
Yeah, we need...
I think that's it.
No, Mommy, there's a big squishy thing.
Well, I think that person was just holding the ball as it was fizzing. We just put it in the pan to fizz. See, I think that's the last of the ball. Was that fun? Do you feel it fizzing? Was that fun?
Yes.
Okay.
We're excavating tools.
Oh, your excavating
Maybe
tools?
we should dry it off.
Dry off your alien? Okay, let's go dry off your alien.